Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I spin fabric whilst I'm sewing it. You might have already seen how I use this technique in previous videos, but today I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how I do this. Here it is. This is quite possibly one of the easiest things you can ever do whilst you're sewing. All you need to do is slow down when you're approaching the edge of your fabric. Make sure that your needle is in your fabric. You then just want to lift the little lever on the back of your machine to lift the foot off the fabric. The needle that is going through the fabric will hold your fabric in place, so you just need to gently spin it round so that you're facing the right way for your new stitches, and then push the lever down so that your foot is once again on top of the fabric. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I will see you again next week.